Everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you add your Shopify store link to your Instagram bio. So firstly, let's copy your store link from Shopify. So what you have to do is open your Shopify account or app, and then once you open it, so go to your store, click on your store on your below right, so click on store. So once you get to your store, click on the settings option here. So under settings, scroll down until you see domains. So click on domains. All right, so here you should be able to see your domain here, so which is your store link. So copy that, so just copy that link. So that's your store link, so copy that. So once you have done that, what you have to do is go to your Instagram. So open your Instagram, and then what you have to do here is click on edit profile, and then here in your bio, right, again, not bio, just let me go back. All right, under links here, so click on links, and then here what you have to do is just click on link, and then all you have to do here now is just paste that your Shopify link that you just copied, and then click on the tick. So that's it, your Shopify store link will be added to your bio. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.